Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to rate Horror Tale 1 game on your Android device. To rate Horror Tale 1, first of all, launch open the game on your device and from the main menu, go ahead and look for the 3 stars icon at the bottom left and tap on it. This will allow you to rate the game inside the game itself. Go ahead and tap on the star icon that you want to rate the game on. I'm just gonna give it a 3 star for now since I haven't played the game much. And right after you do that, you can tap on the rate button and you'll be able to rate the game quickly and easily. So that way you can rate the Horror Tale 1 Kidnapper game on your Android or iOS device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.